My name is Ivan and I would like to introduce myself to you. So, I started using ChatGPT in my business and private life when the whole craziness about OpenAI's ChatGPT started, so a couple of months. And since then, I've been using it daily in my business. I run a small hotel and polyclinic in Croatia. It's a family business, and I use ChatGPT, GPT-4 in everything for our social media posts, for articles for the newspapers, for creating compelling content for agencies, business partners, everything. I write it in English, then I translate it to Croatian. So I use it in that business. I also have a business with NFTs. I published a book about NFTs for artists, and I also use it there for my social media content creation and any type of documents, creating a profile on any kind of social media and creating a bio on that social media. I use GPT to write me all that. I just love to use it. It's if you ask him the right questions, and I've become more and more expert in this field. To ask him the right question, he will give you the best possible answer that no human can give you. That's for sure, and that's why I love it. And then I decided, why not to share my knowledge with others and help other projects and private. Anything. It doesn't have to be business. It can be also some for personal social media or something like that. Because basically, if you know to ask him the right question like I do, you can write anything. Article, blog post, social media content, short stories, short books, anything that comes to mind. It can be written with the help of AI. You just need to know how to ask him the right question. And that's pretty much it about me. I hope we can get a chance to work together, and contact me and we'll get started. See you.